Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mamta Classes. Today we will do some questions based on quadrilateral. Like we have done some properties based on quadrilateral, types of quadrilateral. Now in this video we are going to prove those some of the properties, like you have given something and on that basis you have to prove something. For example, we have diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular. Yesterday we did this thing. Diagonals of a perpendicular are perpendicular to each other. Diagonals of rhombus, ठीक है. तो अब हमें इसे प्रूव करना है, मतलब हमें इसे दिखाना है. तो उसके क्वेश्चंस हम कैसे करते हैं? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है बेटे, शो दैट the diagonals of a rhombus, the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. As I have told in my earlier videos that this symbol is used for perpendicular. ठीक है, show that the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. मतलब मुझे रोम्बस गिवन है एंड वी नो दैट ऑल साइड्स ऑफ रोम्बस आर इक्वल, दैट ऑल साइड्स ऑफ अ रोम्बस आर इक्वल. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ start proof. First of all, we need a diagram. A, B, C, D. ठीक है. Now we need to show the perpendicular. Like we need to show this angle is of 90 degree. These all are like if we show just one, अगर हम एक को दिखा देंगे ना तो हमें बाकियों को दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है ना, क्योंकि हमारे लिए एक ही ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. नाउ देखिए, अब मुझे इसे 90 डिग्री दिखाना है. ये कोई भी, अगर मैं दो एंगल लूँ, कोई भी दो एंगल, आइदर दिस वन, दिस टू, ये दो एंगल लीनियर पेयर बना रहे हैं. ये दो एंगल भी हमारे पास लीनियर पेयर बना रहे हैं. ठीक है, ये दो एंगल्स भी हमारे पास लीनियर पेयर बना रहे हैं. ठीक है, देखो अगर मैं ये दोनों एंगल, ये दोनों, कोई भी दो पेयर एडजेसेंट एंगल्स का पेयर अगर हम इक्वल दिखा दें, है ना, तो दोनों लीनियर पेयर है. अगर इक्वल आ गए तो ऑब्वियसली वो दोनों 90 के हो जाएंगे. अब मुझे एडजेसेंट पेयर्स एंगल के इक्वल दिखाने हैं, दैट मीन मुझे ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूफ करने हैं. क्योंकि एडजेसेंट एंगल्स दिखाने हैं, दैट्स व्हाई आई नीड टू टेक द एडजेसेंट ट्राइंगल. मैंने रैंडम ट्राइंगल लिए, यू कैन चूज वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू चूज, बट द ट्राइंगल शुड बी एडजेसेंट. ठीक है, so I'm taking in triangle AOB and triangle AOD. ठीक है, triangle AOB and AOD. ठीक है, we know all sides of a rhombus are equal. Here you need to mention the reason also. Sides of rhombus are equal. ठीक है. Second thing, this is common to both the triangle OA equals to OA. Reason is common. ठीक है. The next one is, देखो हमने कल पढ़ा था कि स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल और रोम्बस जो है पैरेललोग्राम है. If these are the parallelogram and diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, right? We have studied this in earlier video. That इस ट्राइंगल में ये डायगोनल यूज हो रहा है, ये तो हो ही नहीं रहा ना, तो ये ट्राइंगल क्या, ये क्या हो जाएगा, OD इक्वल्स टू OB. दैट मीन OB इक्वल्स टू OD. रीजन बिहाइंड इट इज डायगोनल्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. इज इट क्लियर? सो ट्राइंगल AOB इज congruent to triangle AOD by which rule? देखो, this one is the side, this one is also the side, and this one is also side. So side, side, side. ठीक है. So we can say here that angle AOD is equals to angle AOB by CPCT. Is it clear? CPCT. Since देखो अब ये CPCT है, बट हमें पता है ये दोनों एंगल्स कैसे बना रहे हैं, लीनियर पेयर फॉर्म कर रहे हैं. तो इज इक्वल्स टू इनका सम कितना होना चाहिए 180 डिग्री. रीजन इज लीनियर पेयर. ठीक है. AOD is equals to AOB. That means we can write it as AOD plus AOD. Like AOB is also equals to AOD, na? Then we can substitute it as is equals to 180 degree. 2 times of AOD is equals to 180 degree. Hence AOD is equals to 90 degree. If AOD is 90 degree, then obviously AOB is equals to 90 degree. And if this is 90 degree, then this will be 90 degree because of linear pair, and if this is 90 degree, this is also. Or you can just simply say that this angle will be 90 degree because of vertically opposite angle, and similarly this also. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now moving to the next question. Question number 2. Show that diagonals of a square show. This question are from your NCERT book. Show that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at 90 degree. देखो मुझे क्या दिखाना है, शो दैट द डायगोनल्स ऑफ अ स्क्वायर आर इक्वल. पहले तो मुझे इक्वल दिखाना है. बाइसेक्ट कर रहे हैं ईच अदर कितने पे, कितने एंगल पे, 90 डिग्री. तो बेसिकली व्हाट आई नीड टू शो इज, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग अ डायग्राम. ABCD सोल्यूशन. ठीक है. वी नो दैट गिवन है हमें, गिवन क्या है, AB इक्वल्स टू BC इक्वल्स टू CD इक्वल्स टू TA, because all sides of a square are always equal. Is it clear? Now what we need to show according to the question demand, that is you need to show AC equals to BD. First of all, diagonals of a square are equal. This is the language written in English, and this is the terms we have defined this language in mathematics. Okay. Second, you need to show bisect each other. That means OD equals to OB and OA equals to OC, OA equals to OC, and OB equals to OD. And the third part you need to show is these are forming 90 degree. That means angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. Is it clear? Or basically you just write all the angles, it doesn't matter. COB is equals to 90 degree, this is equals to like DOC, and this is equals to BOC. आप चाहे एक दिखा दीजिए क्योंकि बाकी तो ना सिमिलरली में हो जाते हैं. ठीक है. Is it clear? Is it clear? So now the first part, I'm moving to the first part. I'm going to make the diagram again so that it didn't get confused. Please don't go on the drawing. Just be on the, stick to the diagram, stick to the concept. So ठीक है. मैंने ABCDO, मैंने नेमिंग सेम ही रखी है, चेंज नहीं किया. ठीक है. देखो मुझे AC दिखाना है BC के बराबर. मैंने आपको पहले ट्राइंगल में भी बताया कि sometimes if you are not clear that which triangle you had to take to show the congruent, then you can work on this idea. जो मुझे पार्ट दिखाना है, शो करना है. ठीक है. और जो मुझे गिवन है, देखो गिवन क्या है, ये साइड इसके बराबर है, ये साइड इसके बराबर है, इसके बराबर है, तो ये मुझे शो करना है. सो दिस पार्ट, दिस ट्राइंगल एंड दिस ट्राइंगल आई नीड टू show congruent. Basically for first part proof कौन से ट्राइंगल, इन ट्राइंगल ADB and ABC, triangle ABC. Is it clear? Now what we have, AD equals to BC, all sides of a square are equal, all sides of a square are equal. Second thing, you are going to take it, AB equals to AB, common. Next is third thing you have to take, we know that angles of squares is a 90 degree. ठीक है, angle of the square are of 90 degree. That means angle DAB is equals to angle CBA is equals to of 90 degree. You know that reason, you can write it as angles of a square are of 90 degree. Is it clear? ठीक है, तो triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ABC. Which rule? This one is side, this one is angle, and again this one is side. तो side angle side rule से हमारे पास ये जो triangles हैं ये congruent हो गई, तो मैं बोल सकती हूँ that AC equals to BD by CPCT. Hence our first part is proof. You need to show the diagonals are equal. I have done that. ठीक है, moving to the second thing, moving to the second part, that is you need to show, basically I'm going to make another diagram, as basically you need to show this one to this one. ठीक है, this is O, this is A B C D. ठीक है, so हम प्रूफ करेंगे. देखो इस टाइम अगर मैं एडजेसेंट ट्राइंगल्स लूँ तो मेरा काम नहीं बनेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि एक ही साइड आएगी, फिर मुझे दूसरी के लिए दूसरी पेयर उठाना पड़ेगा, है ना. हम ऐसी साइड ऐसी ट्राइंगल लेते हैं जिसमें दोनों ही एक बार में आ जाए. तो देखिए ये ट्राइंगल और ये ट्राइंगल, काम बन जाएगा हमारा, है ना. तो इन ट्राइंगल्स में मैं बोल सकती हूँ इन ट्राइंगल AOB and triangle COD. AB equals to CD. All sides of a triangle are equal. All sides of a square are equal. ठीक है. Next है, this angle is equals to this angle. Reason is vertically opposite angle. Angle COD is equals to angle AOB. Reason is vertically opposite angle. Next thing is we have that is, see, we know that square is also a parallelogram. If this is a parallelogram, then this angle is equals to this angle. Reason is alternate interior. That means angle BAO is equals to angle DCO. Reason is alternate interior angles. So we can say that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by which rule? Side angle angle. That means angle side rule. Is it clear? Obviously we can say that OB equals to OD and OA equals to OC by CPCT. All thanks to CPCT. Whatever we need to prove, that just show it by CPCT. And for that you need to congruence the triangle. Okay, now moving to the third part, that is you need to show that the diagonals are of 90 degrees. Listen, we have did the same, this concept same in this. We have to do this fact in this same, because in this you are going to take any two. Again I am making the diagram. You just take any two adjacent triangles. Okay, this length is equals to this length and this length is equals to this length. This is equals to this because of common, as the triangle is congruent, and by CPCT you can say these angles are equal, and obviously these angles are forming 90 degree because, sorry, linear pair, because of linear pair, and then they will form 90 degree. Let us do. Third is, or you just do it by yourself. Let me do on your behalf. A, B, C, D, triangle AOP and triangle AOD. AB equals to AD, sides of a square are equal. ठीक है. Next is OA equals to OA, common. ठीक है. Next we have OD equals to OB. We have proved this in part 2. Proved in part 2. So triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOD. So we can say that by side rule. So we can say that angle AOD is equals to angle AOB by CPCT. Is it clear? If this is CPCT, हमें पता है, but angle AOD plus angle AOB equals to 180 degree, then this will be of 90 degree, as same procedure we have followed in this. Is it clear? Is it clear to all? Let me know in the comment section. Students, I just want to give you advice that if you want to grab your concepts, your hand very smooth in geometry especially, for that you need a lot of practice. Because while doing the sums, while doing the practice, you just know the concept, you just grab that approach. The main part is to grab the approach, basically how we need to proceed in that question. हमें किसी भी क्वेश्चन की शुरुआत कैसे करनी चाहिए. मतलब आप सबको या बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स की ऐसी, मतलब उनका ये क्वेश्चन होता है कि मैम हमें समझ नहीं आता कि हम कहाँ से स्टार्ट करें. जस्ट स्टार्ट द लर्निंग, जस्ट स्टार्ट बाय इट योर सेल्फ, बाय फ्रॉम योर हैंड. ठीक है. एक बार जब आप जैसे ये क्वेश्चन हमने किया है ना, इसमें हमने डायग्नोस, देखो जैसे मैं इस क्वेश्चन पे आई तो मैंने आपसे कहा कि आप डायरेक्टली इसी कॉन्सेप्ट को यूज करके कर लेंगे, एंड वो हमने सेम कॉन्सेप्ट यूज किया ना. द थिंग इज कि दिस शुड गेट क्लिक while doing this question. Okay, thank you students, and further we will do in the next video. Let me know in the comment section if you want something else also. Thank you.